Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Roel Carino's video.
Sen, ang playlist po natin yung mga kantang malapit kay Tito Sen. Eto na, unang-una sa playlist, ang isinulat ni Tito Sen with Boss Joey. Balat Kayo by Anthony Castello.
Yan.
To be
Anthony
performed by the Matt Monroe of
Castello.
the Philippines, Roel Carino.
Hey guys.
Alright, give it up for Roel Carino.
Balat kayo lahat, ang buhay sa mundo
Ah,
nakangiti kahit hindi totoo.
okay, wait a moment. Balat kayo. Kayo. Balat kayo. Balat kayo. What is it in English? Disguise. False pretense. Masquerade. Hiding one's identity. I think that's the translation of Balat Kayo in English. Am I right? And it's originally popularized by Anthony Castello. And this song is a classic Filipino pop, original pop song, original Filipino music. It's an OPM song. Okay, there you go. This one is, okay, let me, ano ba? Bakit nahihirapan ako magsalita ngayong araw na ito? I don't even know why. But anyway, what I want to say is that Balat Kayo is a classic Filipino pop OPM song with a romantic and sentimental feel. And I love that Roel Carino's performance keeps that old school style, which makes the song sound warm and emotional. And I just love how he started off singing the very first few lines of the song. You can really feel the presence of his vocals instantaneously. Very, very clear, and it's just so appealing to the ears. Can we listen to this one more time, please? If you guys don't mind. Medyo na-distract ako earlier. Kasi I was like, you know, kasi guys, here's the thing. Kaya siguro some of you think na ang bilis kong mag-isip, you know. Meron akong nakikita mga comments like that na you think so quickly, parang your ideas, your thoughts are well organized, mga ganyan. Kasi hindi pa ako nagpo-pause ng video, nagka-come up na ako ng mga sentences sa mind ko. So, alam nyo na. Na-distract ako medyo sa Balat Kayo. One more.
Balat kayo lahat, ang
Beautiful.
buhay sa mundo nakangiti kahit hindi totoo. Magandang bulaklak kung siyang katulad mo.
My God. Wag naman ngayon, Roel, please. I'm the type of personality who easily gets moved or who's easily moved to tears. Sayang naman yung face powder na nilagay ko sa mukha ko before filming this reaction video kung iiyak lang ako. Roel, please, not today. Please, I'm not in a good mood for crying. Masisira yung face powder. Joke lang.
Ngunit paglapit ko'y walang bango. Balat kayo pala ang pag-ibig mo.
My God! Naiiyak talaga ako, guys. Stop. Glutacy Kojic Plus, baka naman. Kalalagay ko lang ng face powder. Baka yung luha at yung face powder maghalo. Ang pangit. No, but on a serious note, guys, one of the things that I love about this song is the tempo. It has that moderate, relaxed tempo, so it doesn't feel rushed. And this gives Roel Carino enough time to really express the emotions of the song and connect with the audience. The rhythm, the melody, I think that the rhythm is pretty steady and it's so easy to follow. Balat kayo, na, da, 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 you know, while the melody of the song is really smooth, it's memorable, and I bet these people in the audience, yung lalo na yung mga kaibigan nating mga young at heart, makakasing-along talaga sila. Mga theme song pa nga siguro nila yan.
Kay sakit naman,
Ay, sakit.
sayang lang ang pag-ibig ko. Balat kayo lahat.
Another thing that I love about Roel Carino, I've always been so vocal about this. Hindi siya yung type ng singer na nag-show off. Yung parang hambog ba? Alam niyo yun? Yung para lang may mapatunayan na magaling akong singer. You know what I mean?
Buhay sa mundo.
Alright guys, back to our video. Sorry about... Wait. So, sorry about the cut. Kasi ewan ko nga ba, yung phone ko, na ano lang siya, namatay lang siya bigla. So, sorry. Okay, anyway, continue. Hi, ladies! Shout out to you kung sino man kayo.
Siyang katulad mo, ngunit sa isip lang lahat ng ito. Balat kayo pala.
Seriously guys, sayang naman yung face powder. Glutasy, Kojak, baka naman. No, but on a serious note guys, I'm just trying to distract myself kasi nga ayokong umiyak ngayon. I'm such in a good mood. But I love how Roel Carino is singing this song in such a very heartfelt manner. Yung tipong mapapaiyak ka talaga. Kasi I mean, I grew up listening to this song. Ito yung mga type of songs na pinapakinggan ko when I was a little kid. And I'm sure yung those people who enjoy listening to this kind of music can relate, can resonate. Iba kasi yung pakiramdam guys when you, kung ito yung mga music na nakagisnan mo kumbaga, it hits you in a different and special way. I'm not even broken-hearted, pero ewan ko nga ba bakit parang naluluha ako. So parang ang pangit naman ko yung iiyak ka tapos yung face powder sa nanilagay ko maghalo. Sorry.
Nanatubog lang sa ginto. O kay sakit naman, ay sayang lang ang pag-ibig ko.
Iyak talaga ako. Stop. Ayoko. Yung inhaler ko nasaan? Parang... Tapusin na natin.
Buhay ko ngayon, balat kayo.
Okay, so I might as well wrap this video up. Total, patapos na naman si Roel na kumanta. I'd like to say that Roel's performance of this song, Balat Kayo, or Disguise in English, maybe. Parang madami siyang English translation. Disguise, false pretense, masquerade, hiding one's identity. I mean, his overall performance of this, it feels heartfelt, it's simple, but it's entertaining. And he just looks so confident on that stage, and I just love that everyone in the crowd was also having fun, and I'm pretty much sure that so many people could resonate with this song and of course Roel Carino's performance.
Thank you po. Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Alright guys, what do you think of Roel Carino's cover of Anthony Costello's Balat Kayo? Tell me in the comment section below, okay? So anyway, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.
どこに行こう、あちこ。どこに行こう、あちこ。